this episode of CobbTV, we are talking about grooves that use different styles of marching cadences. Yes, and be sure to like and subscribe for more epic musical content. Now, rudiments are a big part of playing the drums, and sometimes you can specifically use these to come up with marching cadences. Yes, our first one is going to be from Star Wars. Yes, the Imperial March. It uses a combination of the 4-stroke single and the 7-stroke single to come up with that iconic groove. Dun, 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 dun. Another one that's oddly similar is from Jefferson Airplane. It uses the 4-stroke rough in a syncopated way to come up with that hypnotic groove that you hear in White Rabbit. Love the way they used that song in Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. And some small trivia, I played the White Rabbit in the theater version of Alice in Wonderland. There must have been something groovy about those marching beats in the late 60s, early 70s, because Zeppelin did it as well. If you listen to the deep cut, Poor Tom, you can hear John Bonham doing a New Orleans styled march. One of my all-time favorite John Bonham drum beats, and what's tricky about that one is the bass drum pattern and the syncopation and keeping that steady while your hands are doing the 16th notes and your left foot is playing on the offbeat. Another seminal band from that era, the Beatles. Yes, Ringo Starr playing a marching beat on Get Back. There's a specific way to play that song. If you're interested in learning it, then check out my How to Play Get Back on Drums video on the channel. And last but not least, Steve Gadd, one of the masters of rudiments, plays a marching New Orleans styled groove for Paul Simon's 50 Ways to Leave Your Lover. And as some people may or may not know, Steve Gadd was a drummer in the Army, so he was definitely trained in a lot of marching styles, and it really comes through on that beat. And there you have it, just a few different examples of some marching style cadences for drum set. If you know any more, leave a comment, and if you have any suggestions for different types of grooves that you would like to have demystified, please let me know in the comments section. Be sure to like and subscribe for more epic musical content. But in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.